So, the commutative property. This is not really the way that I would do it, but this is a really nice, nerdy way to say it, okay? Is if you saw something like this, 7x times 3x to the power of 2, you can actually, because it's all multiplication in here, even between the parentheses is multiplication. Multiplication is the only operation you do not have to always show. So if you don't see an operation, just know that it has to be multiplication. So you can see, though, that now that we know it's multiplication, you can actually show it with multiplication and kind of move stuff together that probably belongs together. By the way, this would be considered one full term. It's just got lots of factors. So you'd say, well, move the numbers together so you can multiply those, right? Okay, and that's nice because 7 times 3 is 21. And then an x with another 2 x's really is just, if we go back to exponent rules, it's 1 plus 2, which is 3. And that's how we get this final monomial, I guess. Like I said, though, I probably wouldn't look at it like that. Like, I just say 7x times 3x to the power of 2, and then I know 7 times 3 is 21, and x times x to the power of 2, again, that's 1 plus 2, which would give me an exponent of 3. Do you have to do it like this? No. If you like the first way, do it. If you don't like the first way, which most students don't. You'll never be required to do it a specific way. Again, for me, I just like to focus on the numbers first. All right, let's see if we can do it this time. 5 times 3 is 21. All right, so 5, no, you're good. 5 times 3, not 21.
24.
Almost. 15.
51.
Almost. It's,
Sorry.
some dyslexia maybe right there, right? Now, I've done that, right? So I like to actually do this one part at a time. Focus on numbers, focus on your x's. If we find that there's y's in there, I separate the x's and the y's and do them separately, okay? And by the way, I'm showing probably more work than most of you would. Okay, whatever. So then we've got the x and the x to the power of 4. Again, it's a base x, but then the exponents 1 plus 4 is 5 right there. So that's simplified, and yeah, I did the addition right at least.